Multi-day hiking can be really unpredictable, and that's why we have the MacGyver bag. Let me tell you what's in it. So the biggest thing in our bag is this rope. It's way long, and we use it for all sorts of things, from hanging our tarp to making a washing line. It's got these great nifty tensioners. We've got 4, but we've only brought 2 this time. And we've used it in other settings as well, like when we've had to do a creek crossing, just magic. Also in here, we've got our gear patches. So these are different patches for our sleeping mats, our tent. We've got some tenacious tape that'll even repair our waterproof jackets. Very handy. We've got the fire steel for if we have a problem with our lighter, and just a handy backup. We've got these cup holders, which are for our tent if we're sleeping on platforms like this. This one's come with them, but often in Australia you don't have hooks, and it's a great way to do up your guys. We've also used them when we needed to hang up more gear because it's bucketing down and we've found a handy spot. Just the fixer for if we have a broken hole in our tent, but also some Ziplocs. We've got a few rubber bands and a hairband and some Velcro straps, always handy. We've got some little carabiners and the Aqua Seal. That's good for fixing boots or the tent. Some pegs, not only for hanging washing, but they're great for rigging up windbreaks or pegging down things. And then we've got our little Alpenblow, which is an inflator for our sleeping mats. And it's a little 3D printed nozzle. Comes with about 4 of them, depending on what sort of bag you have. And then you hook it up to your power bank, and the little gem goes off, and it'll get it about 3/4 full, and then you just need to give it another couple of puffs to finish it off. Only weighs 8 grams, and it's so quick and saves you a lot of puffing. And then we've got our charging cables that hook up to our power banks, and we've got a little kit of converters that can enable us to use the one power cable to charge phones, watches, all the little gadgets. It's really quite handy and so compact. And last but not least, we've got a spare stopper for the end of our hiking poles. We usually have a couple more, but Pete's lost his lately, and we're down to this last one before I buy some more. And then our last one is this light. It is so handy. It's a pop-up solar charge light. It does charge up on USB, and it's got a really nice glow. We can cook by it, use it in the tent, take it on the walk to the toilet if we need to. Very handy and super light. And that's pretty well it. Our MacGyver bag has got us out of so many tricky situations, and we just keep refining it trip after trip.